In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Coinbase as of 2025, whether you're new to Coinbase or a seasoned user. Keeping your account details up to date, especially your email, is crucial for staying informed and ensuring the security of your transactions. So let's dive into the process of updating your email address on Coinbase. First, you want to open the Coinbase app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily find it by visiting the App Store for Apple users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once installed, go ahead and launch the app. If you're new to Coinbase, you'll need to set up an account by signing up with your credentials. For existing users, simply sign into your account with your credentials to get started. Now that you're signed in, take a look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, you'll see a range of options. You need to select Account and Settings, which will take you to another screen with various options related to your account configurations. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for Change Security Settings. This section is where you can manage your key security details, making it vital for maintaining the integrity of your account. Tap on this option to proceed further into the settings. Next up, you'll find yourself looking at the Email and Password option. This is your gateway to changing crucial components of your account access. Tap on this section and you'll be directed to a screen that specifically focuses on your email and password information. Within this section, you'll find the email field. Here, it's time to make the change you came for. You'll see the option to update, so go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll likely be prompted to enter your account password or complete 2-step verification. This step is a security measure to ensure that it's really you making the changes, so have your authentication method, like your phone, nearby to quickly complete this step. Once you've cleared these verification steps, you'll be able to enter your new email address. Double-check that you've correctly typed in the new email and then confirm the change. Coinbase may send a confirmation email to both your old and new email addresses. Be sure to verify your new email to complete the update process. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your email on Coinbase. Remember to keep your new email credentials safe and updated wherever necessary to ensure the security of your account. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to drop a comment or question below if you need further assistance.